Hi there, as a day trader you should always try to keep your charts as clean as possible. You have probably searched for the best daily key levels indicator before. Well, that can be very hard job since there is hundreds of them. You try to add them one by one, but they look like this or like this, with too many unnecessary lines on the chart and outdated levels. But don't worry, I will share with you the best professional indicator, so your chart will look nice and clean. Like this one. As a bonus, you will find complete strategy on how to trade previous day high and low levels at the end screen of this video. Now, let me show you how to add this automated indicator to your charts. Go to the indicators section and type previous days highs and lows. This indicator is created by user with the nickname 12. After that, click on the indicator and it will be applied to your chart, just like that. Before I share the same indicator just for MT4 trading platform, it is important to mention that the previous day high and lows levels are crucial key levels in day trading. These levels significantly influence daily price action and should be marked as a part of your daily trading routine. Great news, these indicators will draw these levels for you automatically. If you are trading on MT4 platform, don't worry, we have solution even for that. I have an indicator that is specifically coded to meet my trading needs. You can find it on my website or check the link in the description of this video. Once indicator is added to your chart, this indicator will display previous daily high and low levels, along with the additional average price level represented by dotted line in the middle of the indicator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. See you next time. Bye bye.